shout out to my mentor, Wesley, $1 billion virgin.
Wesley Virgin.
Wesley $1 billion virgin.
Wesley $1 billion virgin.
Hey, I'm Wesley $1 billion virgin. Hey, my friend, congratulations for taking action on the mindset hacks that can potentially make you millions of dollars. And in about 5 minutes, I'm going to send you a report that can change the rest of your life. And folks, I'm gonna be honest with you, from the heart. I'm just a young boy from Houston, Texas. I was broke, and I went from the outhouse to the penthouse, baby. I mean, I never thought, you see this behind me? This is my Lamborghini. This is my Lamborghini that I pay cash for by applying mindset hacks. I want you to take your finger right here. Come on, play with me. Take your finger right here. Once your mind change, your situation change. This car cost me $250,000. I bought it cash by applying mindset hacks that I want you to get access to. But Simon, come here. Let me show you something here. Not just one, I bought myself a brand new i8. I remember having a 1988 Honda Accord. I remember my parents saying, Wesley, go back to work. Stop dreaming. You need to make money. I said, no, mama. I know I'm broke. I just lost my house. I just had to file bankruptcy. I just lost my cars, but I got a dream. And as you can see here, I bought me a BMW i8 here cash. But that's not done. You know what? This is for you. Understand? This is for you. Let me show you something here. Look at this. This is a GTS custom car because this was my dream. The question is, what is your dream? In about 5 minutes, I'm gonna give you access in your email to exactly what I did to change it all, change my world, from going from the outhouse to the penthouse. It allowed me to get a car like this. Look at this. This is a BMW custom car here, and I pay cash for it. And I don't tell you that to impress you, but to impress upon you, to let you know that this lifestyle is real, and you can have it too. But while I got you here, I want to give 50 people, as you're watching this right now, access to a program that I call the Overnight Millionaire, okay? What I've learned years ago from a mentor, he told me this. He says, Wesley, for things to change, you must change things here in my mind. I want you to do this right now. Here, this was the problem. I read the self-help books. I went to the seminars. I've read all the books. I went to the Tony Robbins Walking on Coals, but it didn't work out. But when I started to tweak my beliefs, it changed my world. I've traveled around the world. Imagine traveling with your family around the world in 30 days. Or in 90 days, imagine buying your dream car. And I said, you know what, God? If it ever happens to me, I want to bless other people and give them the same gift that somebody gave me. I want to give you access to a program that people around the world will pay me thousands of dollars per month to get access to. But only 50 people, the first 50 people that say, yes, Wesley, I want this right now, I'm going to use it and I'm going to change my life, it's yours. After that, the button will be disabled. And I do that because of this. It's two types of people in the world. People that want it, and the people that are committed to get it. Which one are you? Much love. I'll see you soon in the program. Remember, check your email, look below. Let's get ready to design the life that you deserve. Let's go!
Just wanted to give a huge shout out to Wesley $1 billion virgin.
Big shout out to Wesley $1 billion virgin.
Just wanted to give a huge shout out to my mentor, Wesley $1 billion virgin.
Listen, last night's event was off the chain!
I jumped into his program, the Millionaire Mind Hack program, about 6 months ago, and I can tell you my life has been changed forever. I just wanted to show you guys that this stuff is really real. What he's talking about is legit. This is a check from a title company. I actually work in real estate, so that was a check for $12,600 back in November.
I was making 1/10 of what I'm making now, so I've 10x my income.
For teaching me all the wealth attraction techniques and mind hacks that I've been able to use to scale my business to 7K this month.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So unfortunately, I gotta go somewhere, so you guys can't go next week. Gotta go with. Here's your car. No, your car. See your car right there?
Oh no.
I'm sorry. Look at that back right there. See past
I'm sorry, man.
Happy Father's Day. That's it.
I thought this was in West when we came up.
That's it.
Oh man, I can't believe that.
Drop top, everything. Look.
Wow, this is fun. I was ready to die, man.
Happy Father's
How you
Day.
doing, guys? Y'all caught me at a bad time.
That's my friend right here.
Huh?
He's my friend's videotape. There you go.
Happy Father's Day, baby!
Look. Let down the window. Alright, do you see this right here? Watch out, Mom. I know.
It's nice. That's nice.
I love it. So this is how you do Father's Day, folks. This is how you do it. Buy your dad a new car.
I created a new business that's creating passive daily residual income for me and my family. So I'm super excited.
This is Jonathan Bender, ex-NBA player. I wanted to talk a little bit about my boy Wesley Virgin. He knows a lot, man, when it comes down to this internet biz, info marketing. It's been great. I mean, I'm gonna follow this guy definitely because he's at the top.
Yo, Wesley, I want to give you a big shout out, player. I heard you doing some good stuff where you are. Try to reprogram mine, man. Hey, well done, Wesley, on everything you're doing over there, man. Keep inspiring people, okay? Giving them hope, getting them a way out. Be great, 10x everything. 10x. I said 10x.